Have you ever tasted beans, lentils, or stews cooked in a clay pot and said, "Wow, this is fantastic"? Well, it's not just the cook, but the clay pots have a lot to do with it as well. More and more people are switching to using clay pots for all their cooking at home as a more natural way to cook. And it doesn't just result in better taste, but there are additional benefits as well. Let's take a closer look at some of the advantages and benefits of cooking in a clay pot. Due to the porosity and natural insulation properties of clay, foods cooked in a clay pot normally cook slower over a longer period of time than in conventional cookware. This added time allows the flavors to blend into each other, resulting in better taste. Additionally, the slower cooking method is more forgiving to novice cooks, giving them more time to react and reduces the chances of burning the food. With clay pots, your food retains all of its nutrients too. The moisture circulates evenly during cooking, preventing the denaturing of the proteins and vitamins, and keeps the levels of elements like iron, calcium, and magnesium intact. Since clay is inert, it does not interact with foods in a bad way. This brings out the natural tastes in foods, unlike metal or aluminum cookware, which react with acidic ingredients and can impart an unwanted metallic flavor. Clay pots do react with foods, however, but in a good way. Since they are alkaline in nature, they interact with the acidic ingredients and help neutralize the acidity. This natural detoxing helps maintain your body's pH levels and makes it easier for your body to digest the food. Yet another benefit of the slower cooking process is that foods retain more of their oils and natural moisture. This means you need to add less oils and fats, making the food healthier overall. Clay pots make great serving vessels as well, making them the ultimate in one-pot cooking, and who does not like to have less dishes to wash? While it's on the table, since the clay retains heat so well for a long time, the food will stay nice and warm during the entire meal. Many clays have excellent refractory properties, making roasting pans especially efficient. That is why we at Ancient Cookware enjoy bringing our full line of clay cookware to you, directly from the hands of our artisans.